In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check on Fidelity. Let's dive right in and make the process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll need to open the Fidelity Investments app on your mobile device. Sign in using your credentials and make sure you are on the home screen. Next, tap the Transact button located at the bottom of your screen. This will guide you to the section where you can handle various financial transactions. Taking this step is essential because it sets the stage for your check deposit. From there, select the option labeled Deposit Checks. This is your gateway to depositing your check directly into your Fidelity account. If it's your first time using this feature, you might be prompted to review and accept some terms. This is standard procedure to ensure you're aware of the guidelines. Accept them if needed, and proceed to the next step. Now it's time to endorse your check. On the back of the check, sign your name clearly. Then write the phrase, "For deposit only to my Fidelity account." This endorsement is crucial because it specifies that the check is meant for deposit, reducing the risk of misuse. With that ready, let's move on to entering the deposit details. Select the Fidelity account where you want the funds to be deposited. It's important to choose the correct account to avoid any confusion later. Enter the exact dollar amount as shown on the check. Double-check this to ensure accuracy, as any discrepancies could delay your deposit. Next up, you'll need to take photos of the check. Start by taking a clear photo of the front of the check. Then take another clear photo of the back, making sure your endorsement is visible. Ensure that all four corners of the check are in view and that the images are well lit. Good lighting is key here as it helps the app process the images correctly and speeds up the deposit process. After capturing the images, it's time to submit the deposit. Review all the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap the Submit button. You will see a confirmation message indicating that Fidelity has received your deposit. This confirmation is your assurance that the process was successful and it marks the transition to the next phase. Now you'll have to wait for the check to be processed. Deposits made on a business day are typically credited promptly. However, keep in mind that funds might be available for trading before they're available for withdrawal or transfer. This is important because it means you can start trading without delay while waiting for the funds to become fully accessible. After you've deposited the check, keep the paper check on hand until you see that the deposit has been successfully credited to your account. This serves as your backup in case anything needs to be verified. Once the deposit is confirmed and everything looks good, securely destroy the check. This prevents it from being accidentally deposited again, protecting you from potential errors. And that's it. You've successfully deposited a check into your Fidelity account using the mobile app. With this knowledge, you can handle your future deposits with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching and happy investing.